This is Lola Lee T. Hey everyone, looks like BlueFace and ChriseanRock are living their best life. Wow, private jet, and it looks like it's the first time on the private jet for both of them. Nice. But it looks like there was a back and forth between BlueFace baby mama and ChriseanRock. These two ladies really need to understand their worth. And BlueFace has got ChriseanRock doing the toe thing again. Check out what they both shared on their Instagram stories.
Hey, superstar. You gotta move away from the camera. Ducking the camera. Survive all the time. Survive all the time. I get on my nerves for real. Boppity bop, you feel me? That's cool. Y'all cool if I say a quick prayer? Yeah. Of course. Dear God, thank you so much for this time. All of us together if you want, 28, hurt mama danger as you fly to ATL. Thank you for this opportunity. Amen.
Amen. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Bye.